I prepared for you today. See what an interesting pattern we have. And like this on the inside out. Plus, of course, 2 edges up repeated 32 rows. Today, I will show just you one. So I scored 22 loops. Here will be most of the facial ironing. Means first row. Till the end of the row. So penultimate facial. Knitting second row from the wrong side. Now these are all loops worn out. And tie every loop with a wear loop. Means I knit everything with classic wear. Only then remember. That is, to tie them then behind the back. Ready, second row. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then 7 wear times 2. 3, 4, 5. This is us third row. Edge remove 7 facial. 5, 6. Times to 3, 4. 5, 6. 8, 9. 10, 11. At the end of the edge and snake, so this is the 4th row with you. 5th row front side. Edge remove. For 5, 6. 7, 8, 9. 12. 15, 16. So turn the 6th row inside out. First remove the report of the drawing to front and then 18 wear. This is to 3. 5, 6. 8. 11, 12. 15, 16. 17 and 18 edge at the end of the wear loop turn. Knitting is so next we have the 7th row. First shoot, so knit 11 face times to 3, 4. 5, 6. 10 and 11 further 6 wear loops. Times to 3, 4. 5 and 6. 1 front and 2 more wear. This is our drawing. At the end of the edge is also a wear loop. So to facial knit 1 wear. 6 facial times to 3. For 5, 6, 11 wear time. To 3, 4. 7, 8, 9. Wear loop tie. It means that we have the 8th row. 9th row first loop shoot. 3, 4. 5, 6, 7. 10, 11. So on to wear. 1 front to wear an edge. So work turn. 10th row, we have the wrong side of the first loop removed. To front 1 wear. To front then 15 wear. Times to 3, 4. 5, 6, 7. 8. 9, 10, 11. 12, 13. 14 and 15 edge knit wear loop. Turn knitting. Well, how so 11th row? shooting the first loop. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 sew on 5 wear. Times to 3. And that's 5. 1 front to wear. 1 front to wear. Edge at the end knit also wear loop. So work turn. Drawing report. To front 1 wear. 5 facial times to 3. Then we have 9 wear loops. Times to 3, 4. 5, 6. So 7, 8, and 9. This is us 12th row. 13th row from front side remove first loop. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Further to wear. 1 front to wear. 1 front and to wear. The edge at the end knit also wear loop. Ready 13th row work. First loop shoot like this. To front 1 wear. To front and 12 wear. Times to 3 sew 4. 5, 6, 7. 8. 11 and 12 end edge also knit wear loop. 15th row front side. 7 facial times to 3, 4, 5. 6 and 7 further for wear. Times to 3. And for 1 front. To wear 1 front. To wear 1 front. To wear at the end of the edge knit wear loop. Work turn like this. 16th row on the inside first loop remove. To front 1 wear to front. So 1 wear. For front 2. 3, 4, and 7 wear times 2. 3, 4. 5, 6, and 7. It means this is the 16th row with you. Here's next we 2 rows of facial ironing over all the loops. All loops absolutely knit facial. And further where we have at night all the loops now just. And so until the end of the row. Here we perform the edge with a wear loop. Now it's clear. Edge remove each loop perform wear loop. So wear and tear we tie to the end of the row. So remove the edge. Wear times 2. 3, 4. 5:06, 7:13. 5, 6, 7. 8, 9. 12 and 13 edge at the end of the night loop. So this is our 19th row turn. We start from 13 wear times 2. 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11. 12 and 13 then 7 face times 2. 3, 4. Edge at the end we perform wear loop. Work turn like this. Drawing report to wear times and 2. Let's not count them anymore. When you repeat the drawing, you will not need to count either. You will know how to knit. So here we turn the 22nd row. On the inside out, we remove the first loop. Knit a classic wear loop. Generally, from the wrong side, you cannot count anything. so it will be fast. So here's 18 wear. And the edge of the wear loops is our 22nd row turn. Remove the first loop. Next 6 wear times 2. 3, 4. 5 and 6, 11 face times to 3. For 5. 8, 9. 10 and 11 edge at the end knitted wear loop. So work turn. 11 wear. Times to 3, 4. 5, 6, 7. 8, 9. Further facial in 6 loops is to 3, 4. 1 and wear. Ready, work turn. Next 25th row. First loop shoot. Knit 2 and to wear. Sorry, 1 faced. To wear and 15 face times to 3, 4. 8, 9. 12, 13. Here's the 25th row. 26th row, from the wrong side, remove the first loop. Times to 3, 4. 5, 6, 7. 8, 9. 10, 11. Next to face wear. To front edge at the end knitted wear loop. Turn knitting. 27th row, front side, first loop remove. 1 front to wear. 1 front. Next 5 of at night times to 3. 4 and 5 plus 9 face. To 3, 4. 5, 6, 7. 8 and 9 edge at the end, perform wear loop. That means that's it, we have the 27th row. 9 times to 3, 4. 5, 6, 7. 8 and 9. Further 5 facial. For 5. 1 wear to front and edge, where is the 28th row? Turn knitting. So we remove the 29th row from the front side of the first loop. To wear 1 front. To wear 12 face. Times to 3, 4. 5, 6. 10, 11 and 12. Work turn. Loops knit by pattern. Times to 3. 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 1, 0. 11 and 12 next to faced. 1 wear to face. 1 wearable to front and wearable edge. Work turn. Next we have the 31st row. So knit a drawing report. To wear 1 front. To wear 1 front. And on 4 wear times 2. 3, 4. Plus 7 facial times to 3, 4. 5, 6 and 7. This is how to turn knitting. First loop shoot. For 5, 6 and 7. Next 4 front to 3. For 1 wear. To front 1 wear. To facial wear. To front edges at the end, we perform a wear loop. So inside out like everything. Means we tied 32 rows. That is, from the first second row, all the loops are front. Then we repeat. That is, in even rows will be connected as well as odd. As well as the scheme of turning years. So sight beach.ru, you should already know that here is our drawing here is such in the end. Like for lover, I knitted everything from the simplest yarn. That is where 100 grams 200